How to make your page private on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your page private on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and scroll down until you find here this one, pages, and then click this one, select your page. Now just click this settings icon in the top corner and then click general settings. Then all you need to do is just click this one here, page visibility. You will find here this one, click on it, and that's it. Your page now is private. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.